Hey guys, this is Zau, and I'm going to show you how I make this picture in Hitfilms. You can get such nice, cool effects in Photoshop, but here in Hitfilms you can get such nice effects like this, lights and clouds, just like that. So yeah, let's get started. Let us make a new composition. I'm going to name it Zau Tutorial. Yeah, and everything's okay. Okay, now we get a new composition, and let us input a picture. This one. To input a picture, you can just click, drag and drop it here, but I won't do that because I have it already here. This one. Yeah, to input the picture to the composition, you can just drag and drop it here. I used this picture too. So yeah, you have to scale it up. And that's it. Now this picture might be in 3D plane. You will need a camera to contain the 3D layers, you know, but you can just click yes, then you will get a camera lens. Okay, this one too. Okay, now you have to make a mask. Select that picture and make a mask. There you go. And do another one. Turn off that one. And do another one too. Create a mask. That's it. Okay. Now, to remove this green screen, you will need some effects. Some key effects, you know. To get rid of this green screen, you will need this color different key, and you will need matte cleaner, and you will need speed removal. Okay, let's go to control. There is it. Okay, as the green screen, then use green. If you have blue screen and red screen, then you can choose here. Check that one. Then you will see the green screen here. Yeah, green color, you know. We will remove it, so you can just increase it, and to fill up here, then you can just reduce. That's okay. Uncheck. There you go. You need to. That's so sharp, so you can just increase it a little bit. And this one further too. Now pretty cool. And you also need the brightness and contrast. Go to color and brightness and contrast. I use it -2, brightness -2, and contrast -2. There you go. Now to copy those, you click here and hold sharp and click the last one, Control C to copy all of them, and select that layer, the another picture, and Control V to paste them. Now you see the other picture too. And let's select that tool and move it, and scale it up. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And let's go and get the floor. New layer, plane. I use this color, so you can just click, drag it, and drop it here. Then you will get the color. And I'm going to name it floor. Great. Then you get a floor. And go to Control, transform, and it might be in 3D plane. Go to 90. It might be 90. And draw down. Yeah, and scale up. There you go, the floor. And you will need to create a mask. I go to mask. I use light tone and in, and the opacity I have like 85, expansions 92. I use it 92. And the filter strength 200, roundness 200. That's it. Now you see, now we get a floor. And the next things, we will get this like. To get this like, you need that great flat, like great layers. And you need light flares. Go to general, light flares, add to new grade, and I have a digital blocks. That's it. And select the light flare and select that one, the button here, and draw it down. See, like, now we get like this. And now we go and get the star flying around. Just fly. Yeah, we need the point layer. The points might be in 3D plane, and transform. We're going to keyframe it, select position, and keyframe it like that. That's okay. Now let's go and get the particle simulator. and go to emitter, particle systems, appearance. Click the buttons for the buttons, and I use star. Distance. Okay, and go to movement, live. I have it like 20 seconds, present, scale 40, speed 0. And let's go to shape. Take two layers. Take two layer. Then choose new point. And that's it. Now we go to new point and continues the keyframe. This line might be front side, so double click it and draw it to front. There you go. I will have it just like that. And we need a light there. So let's go and get the lights. You need the gray layers and go and get the light. General light flare. I have it the same as the before, digital blocks, scales, 100, hotspots. Hotspots use the new point, and the center might be 0 and 0. Now we need the shadows. To get a shadow, you must have light layers. Light layer must be intensity 0 and K shadow. And go back to floor, materials, uncheck that one, and go to picture and uncheck that one and check K shadow, and this one too, uncheck that one, check K shadow. That's it. Okay, lights, I place it here, like that. Now we need the clouds, like these clouds. So we go to 3D's weather, fluffy cloud, drag it down, and go to control transform, unlink scales, increase, decrease that one, and decrease this one. That's okay. Now we need a text. No, text. Okay. So where is it? Here. Like that. So now it's done. Let us export it. But before you export it, you have to select the work area where you want to print the picture. Yeah, that might be great. There you go. And go to export. Choose computer editor. Timeline, go to Zau tutorial. Works area. Image sequence. And you can also choose the PNG and BMP, but I would take this one, JPG, and export. Choose the folder where you want to have the picture. I would choose desktop. There's it. Click OK and go to desktops. There you go. We have some picture here. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you on next tutorial. Bye bye.